Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in mobile marketing, we'll discuss about the global mobile statistics. What are global mobile statistics? The number of internet users, the number of mobile users, connectivity versus the user account. The staggering figures are available with us as far as the mobile statistics globally are concerned. Let's check them out. Now here we have got the global digital snapshot. This actually is the information courtesy via social and Hootsuite, and we have got the statistics from January 2017. Now the global digital snapshot, in the first line we have got the total population of the world as of 7.476 billion is the total population. Out of this, the internet users are 3.773 globally, and the penetration level have gone up by 50%. Now we have got the active social media users all around the world. 2.7 billion people are on social media out of the 7.4 billion people. The penetration level have gone to 37%. The unique mobile users are 4.917 billion people, and the penetration level have gone to 66%. Now we have got the active mobile social users, active mobile social users 2.54 billion people, out of which there are penetration is 34%, and these are the global statistics available with us as far as global digital snapshot is concerned. This is January 2017 data available with us. These are staggering numbers and they are growing 54%, 50%, 37%, 66%, 34%. It is globally rapidly growing. Now we have got next share of social web traffic by device. Laptops and desktops 45%. It is actually going down. This is significant. It is actually going down by minus 20%. We have got the mobile users available with us. 50% of them are on mobile, and it is growing by 30%. This is a significant number. It is growing by 30%, the mobile phones. Then we have got the tablet devices. We have got 5%, out of which it is going down by 5%. Now again we have got the other devices 0.12%. It is growing by 33%, and these are share of web traffic by device. This is actually a huge jump as far as mobile phones are concerned. Now we have got the mobile users versus mobile connections. In the first part, total number of mobile users, unique individuals, there are 4.92 billion. It's a big number. Mobile penetration, unique users versus the total population, 66% is actually the number. Mobile penetration, unique users versus the total population. We got the total number of mobile connections available all around the world. It is 8.05 billion is the number. Average number of mobile subscriptions per unique user is 1.64 billion. Now these are mobile users versus the mobile connections. Then we have got more statistics available with us as far as the mobile penetration is concerned. 80% of internet users own a smartphone. 80% of the internet users all around the world have a smartphone. 48% consumers start mobile search with a search engine. 48% of the consumers start a mobile search with a search engine, particularly Google. 33% of consumers start mobile search with a branded website. 33% consumers start mobile search with a branded website. It could be any brand website anywhere in the world. 26% of the consumers start a mobile search with a branded app. The branded app and the branded website. Apps account 89% of media time. Apps, the total number of apps that are available, there are billions and billions of apps available with us. 20 app account 89% of them start with a media time. 50% of smartphone users grab their smartphone immediately after waking up, and this is an interesting stat. We have got 50% of the smart users grab their phone immediately after waking up. This is a huge number. 68% of the companies have integrated mobile marketing in their marketing strategy. This is a very important and a vital point. 68% have integrated mobile marketing in their mobile strategy. A very, very big point here. 71% of the marketers believe mobile marketing is core to their business. 70% of the marketers all around the world believe mobile marketing is core to their business. 58% of the companies have dedicated mobile marketing team. A dedicated mobile marketing team that is driving their mobile strategy, and there are 58% of the companies from all around the world. According to Google, 61% user never likely to return to a mobile, start having trouble accessing. 40% of them visit competitors' website. According to Google, 61% users actually never go to a site which they have trouble accessing. And this is a very important point as far as people who are looking for user interface, user experience and user friendliness of the app. 61% never actually go back to the same site in having access trouble in having access to it. 40% of them go to the competitor's website. 40% out of the 61% actually go to a competitor website. So make sure that the user interface, the user experience, the usability, the content is absolutely perfect and the site or the app is accessible to the users. 91% of the mobile users access to content is important. 91% of the people say content is extremely important when they are actually browsing through an app or a website is concerned. 91% feel content is extremely important. So content is actually what drives mobile users, content is what drives mobile websites and the mobile apps. So these are staggering numbers and these numbers are updated numbers as of January 27. So make sure that the mobile strategy is in place. You have a mobile marketing team, you have absolutely brilliant user friendly mobile websites and the apps that are available so that you can drive your content marketing, your mobile marketing strategies. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is digital snapshot, web traffic by device, mobile users versus the connections and more statistics that we have seen just now. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.